food police. I have to chase them around the whole house, find people who are eating out of the kitchen. My first bust. Right there, first bust. Cardi is working diligently on pages and pages of adding. That to me just is bleh. Nice job, Cards. Good job. All right. What do you say? What do you say we be done with math? You want to be done? Yeah, that was forever. 2 pages. Good job. What's next?
Last thing.
It's not the last thing. You have phonics too. First commandment. What is it?
Thou shalt not be any God before me.
Second commandment.
Don't say God's name in vain.
Oh, perfect. And what's that third one?
Go to church on every Sunday.
Yay! Woo! So happy. Reviewing, but gosh, over the summer we forget a lot of stuff. There's the pretty girl. Watch out, Cardi. Hi, pretty baby.
I'm coming for you.
She is coming for me. Hi, pretty baby. Thanks for cleaning up the floor, Tange. I really appreciate it.
Yeah.
I'm going to start calling you Matilda. Waltzing Matilda, waltzing Matilda. Hi, baby.
Orange is flow.
Oh, I think you're so pretty.
Mommy, orange is flow.
She is the miraculously non-sleeping baby. That's what she's turned into. She's not big on naps. She's not big on sleeping at night. Only thing Ellie's big on is crawling, and climbing stairs. Let me show you. Come here, Ellie. Want to show them how you climb steps, baby?
She can climb steps.
Yeah, she's amazing. Okay, we're just gonna waddle over here. I don't feel like standing up. All right. Ready?
Ellie, come on, Ellie.
Show your fans, Ellie Bally. Show your fans how you go up the steps.
Come on, Ellie.
Oh, this is all Ellie wants to do.
Come on, Ellie.
Is physical.
She's not doing
You're working on it, aren't you?
Ellie.
I bet if Mommy was up on the steps, she'd go up.
Try it. Go
Okay.
on. Have you seen this yet?
We could not get out of this hole. It was crazy. And
Emmy
finally
doesn't
I
go as high as
kicked
Ellie.
off the- It was crazy.
Let me see Ellie.
Is that funny?
Yeah.
Is it funny with Ellie?
We're gonna go look.
Ellie. Hi, Ellie Bells. Hi, Ellie Bells.
Ellie's gonna bounce me. Ellie's gonna bounce me.
Hi, Ellie.
Mommy.
Look, Ellie's gonna bounce Kenny.
Go. Oh, ready? I'll kneel, mate.
Ellie's like, oh.
I'll kneel. Ready? Ready? Go. Oh! Oh!
Oh gosh, she's cute. Whoa, we almost went off. Oh, we didn't go off the bed. Hey.
Oh! I'm gonna be standing. Oh!
How's it going? Good. Homeschooling is the bomb. Look at him. He's out here in the middle of the day. Takes his laptop out to school. Such a cool thing. It's so stinking cool. I love it, Brody. I love it. Show me your enthusiasm, how much you love it. Just,
It's cool.
I know, but show me how cool it is. Like, do a cheer.
Hold on.
Give me an H.
It's gonna work.
I'm sorry. Jeez, woman, you trying to work? Who am I to interrupt? Brilliant. Go check out Kellogg Show Kids. http://www.youtube.com/user/Kellogg Show Kids. Funniest damn video you've ever seen in your whole entire life. I stopped math at like 4th grade.
Can't I?
No, I did it. I just forgot it. Can I? funny kid. We're going down to go get the mail. I'm having a very hard time coming to terms with the fact that summer's over. Well, I mean, it's not over. Our summer will never be over because we ensure that until winter comes and then summer's over. But where did June and July and most of August go? I guess the old adage that time flies when you're having fun is true. Because I don't remember a summer ever going by this fast. So, anyway, I feel like going out tonight and being inappropriate. Happens every once in a while. Although, I know 7 o'clock, 8 o'clock will roll around and I will completely change my mind. Because I will be tired. Because I have, remember, the incredible sleepless baby. All right, come on, Maddie. Go. You
better go. You're lucky I didn't come blowing out of here naked.
Go find it.
Mommy. Something wrong with you people.
He's out there somewhere. Come on.
Do you want some more stitches? Hold on. Can the whole family come in here in the shower?
Oh, so funny.
I hear it filling again. A 4th time and I'm going to be jumping out and beating somebody.
I'm getting Daddy. I turned the hot water burn on.
Ow! What the heck?